We are approaching Cuenca, so that we can fly over the city. Let's go. Let's keep flying straight, and then we turn left. We fly over the city, and then I think the airport of Sotos is not far from Cuenca. It's about 8 miles. When we fly over Cuenca, we take a couple of videos, then we can call Sotos and say we are 8 miles to the east it will be. So here is Cuenca. Okay, so there is a very bumpy. These are the hanging houses. Sotos, tráfico, el Eco Charlie Lima Lima Hotel, 8 millas al sur. Información de tráfico y pista en uso, por favor. Okay, so there doesn't seem to be anyone, so perhaps there is no point of landing there. We don't know the conditions, there is no socket to try and guess the wind. Seems to be a nice aerodrome. But because of the hills in the area, it could be that because of the strong winds there is a lot of turbulence, so we might as well, you know, go back. Here is the village, I think, of Sotos in the area. The runway seems okay. Completely empty. Okay. Okay, so we are approaching Casarubios. Casarubios tráfico, el Eco Charlie Lima Lima Hotel, 4 millas, final de la 2.6. Casarubios tráfico, el Eco Charlie Lima Lima Hotel a la altura de Álamo, larga final pista 2.6. Casarubios tráfico, el Eco Charlie Lima Lima Hotel, 2 mile final, runway 26, Casarubios.
Casarubios, Aerofan 5 Eco, ahora mismo a final de vientos con la derecha, pista 2.6, nos incorporamos detrás del tráfico en Lángaga, final.
Final de la 2.6, Casarubios, el Eco Charlie Lima Lima Hotel.
Casarubios, Eco Charlie, Kilo Papa Romeo, abandonaremos prolongación de viento en cola.
Oscar, Victor, is Beasley, number 1 and number 2 inside.
Casarrubios Aerofan 5 Eco, larga final pista 6.
Libre de la 26.